Hello, dear friends. How are you? Today we are going to learn some actions related to nature and animals, which means things we do in nature and towards animals. Now please repeat after me. Feed the birds. Walk on the grass. Water the plants. Be kind to animals. Throw stones. Drop litter. Pick the flowers. Catch butterflies. As you know, when we say action, it means there's a verb. And here in every expression, there's a verb. Let's look and see. Feed the birds. The verb here is feed. Walk on the grass. The verb is walk. Water the plants. Here the verb is water. I know that usually water is not a verb, but here we used it to say that we are giving water to the plants. So here water is a verb. Be kind to animals. Here the verb is be. Throw stones. Throw is the verb here. Drop litter. Drop is the verb. Pick the flowers. Here the verb is pick. Catch butterflies. The verb is catch. Bye everyone. I'm going out to water the plants.